The Bohr Model Interactive Calculator solves quantum mechanical properties of hydrogen-like atoms based on Bohr's atomic theory. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Your options are energy level, orbital radius, transition wavelength, ionization energy, electron velocity, and transition frequency. For this demonstration, I've selected energy level. Next, enter the atomic number Z, which represents the number of protons. I'm using 1 for hydrogen. Then, input the principal quantum number n, which defines the electron's energy level. I've entered 2. For transition calculations, you'd also use initial level Ni and final level Nf, but these aren't needed for our energy level calculation. Now let's calculate. With atomic number 1 and principal quantum number 2, clicking Calculate gives us 4 results. The energy level E_2 equals negative 5.4475 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. This same energy converts to negative 3.4001 electron volts. The binding energy is 3.4001 electron volts, representing the energy needed to remove the electron. The calculator notes that negative energy indicates a bound state, and the ground state at n equals 1 has the lowest energy. This tool streamlines quantum calculations for atomic systems. Find the link in the description below.